See here, this is my Facebook profile. My question is, I have the multiple pages are there. Suppose any one page, what is my activity? How many people coming to like? So per day, how many this will be likes or not? So here, I'm searching for my Facebook page, facebook.com/. I'm searching for my page here, Mr. Rakesh. If you check the any activities, who are in admin or moderator can access from this application. Advertiser or anything modifier, they can't access here. In this one, go to settings. This one, go to settings. The settings, we can show option call is here, activity log. See here, just scroll down. The final option is called. What is that? Activity log. Just click here. Where is your posting in this option? See here. These are your posting option. After that, see how many photos you are sharing. This is the sharing. Videos. The application, I'm sharing not so many videos, but in the time is I'm not upload any videos. Select here, no post, no post, no post in June. So here, just post your comments, other post to your timeline. See, these are your page activity in this option. Suppose you can check for view for each click required. For each view required click. See this option. Go back, complete. Go back, just go back. Okay, where option call is publishing tool. I'm checking for, I'm uploading one video. How many clicks done my the particular video? That is, come go to where publishing tool. You can check each and every information. You can check for each and every information for your Facebook page purpose. See how many reach 22. How many clicks? 2. 13 reach 2 clicks. 14 reach is a 2 click. Is the images. It's a published post. If you go to the video library, it's nothing but video clicks and watch. Just click. Just see. How many views? 19, 4, 19, 8, 8, 11, 7, 8, 0, this one, 6, 23, 23, 34, 52. These are. Here has a doubt. Suppose my activity is very poor. How to increase my activity? That is called, when upload any videos, share onto the Facebook groups, your activity will be increased. That is called increase your views and Facebook page likes also. This one, I have very important option. That is called Facebook page insights. Nothing but analytics. Facebook page analytics. In this one, you can reach here. You can see first one by one. Action page. Loading page here. 1 second. See this one. Okay. Click for overview. Write down one by one option. I tell you. Facebook page analytics. First one. Page likes. Page views. Page reach. Post engagement. Page videos. Page followers. These are very important. These are very important. See here, this is my page views. When? September 6 to September 12. How many? 40. Page previews. How many? 3. Reach. 209. Post engagement 41. Video views 1. Page followers 5. Here, all are discussed. If you increase your page views and page subscribers are nothing but followers that mainly dependent by your videos. Why? Because mobile friendly is compatible for the Facebook videos. The Facebook videos increase your reach. The reach will increase your post engagement. That is increase your page likes and page website clicks. That is for your based on the videos. And here that video we can promote along with hashtags. Using for hashtags. That is called we increase your option in this here. Here see this what is called export your data. You can check your activity log with insight. You can download your information for last 7 days. Now click here. What is that? Today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 28 days. Now you can check promotions. If you do any kind of Facebook ads you're running, how to check your promotions? Is the option. See here. Remember, Facebook, we have the like from two names. Facebook Analytics, Facebook Insights. If anyone asking by what is the Facebook Insight, nothing but analytics. You can check for traffic, page views, followers, engagement, and video views, and increase your page likes. Oh, yeah. I'm doing anything in the promotion. Is a zero, so nothing. My followers. You can check one by one option here. Now check is the followers. See this. Followers are we can go with the rightly like this. I will be 162 my followers. Here my question is how to increase my Facebook followers. That is called you can upload on content share to where? Page to Facebook groups. Next one, your likes, reach, page views, page previews. These are options you can know about on your Facebook page insight. If anyone asking question, where you can check the specific video views, that is called publishing tools. If you check the total Facebook page engagement and page views, the option call is Facebook page insight. Please write down. Facebook publishing post, comma photos, video view, clicks. We can check on Facebook page publishing tool option. Facebook page publishing tools option. If you check Facebook page activity, that is called Facebook Insight option. Facebook Insight. Don't tell me any spelling mistake. INSIGHTS. Insight. Look the screen. Insight. You can check Facebook page likes, page followers, Facebook page engagement, individual post engagement, page previews, content reach, event reach, video reach, and etc. option. So this is called Facebook Insight option for checking for Facebook page activity purpose.